Today, we are drilling deep into the redemption plan of God. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. After all that went wrong, God's love was so huge, so big, that he could not allow or stomach to see man perish. After the fall of man, God devised a plan which I would like to call the redemption plan of God. In this episode, we will delve deep into this plan. After all went south, went wrong, here lies the conundrum. All men were born in the likeness of the first man, Adam, born in sin. With the spirit of sin residing in each and every man that was born thereafter. Every man a sinner, born in sin. No hope from a man born from a man. For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. This is where the second Adam, Jesus Christ, the Lion of the tribe of Judah, the image of the invisible God, the Messiah, the one that was and is to come, the Alpha and the Omega, the Almighty. That's where he comes in. This is the plan. Every man born a sinner will have to be born again in order to enjoy this redemption plan that God comes with. But as many as received him, to them he gave the right to become children of God, to those who believe in his name, who were born not of blood, nor of the will of the flesh, nor of the will of man, but of God. So God came on earth as a second Adam to give birth to a new human race. Whosoever chooses to undo what the first Adam did, which is to believe in the hope of glory to God, to Jesus Christ, has got a right now to choose to believe in God and the second Adam who will redeem him from the curse of sin and death. Anyone who chooses to believe in Jesus Christ, such a person is a new creation. The old have passed and the new has come. Now a man can pray a prayer in this manner. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom comes. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. This is what we call the redemption plan of God. Until next time, God bless you.